This one's for you, every single one of you. The one sitting alone right now, staring at a video that took everything you had, and it got 12 views. The ones who spent hours perfecting a thumbnail, writing the perfect title, hoping this time would be different. And it wasn't. The ones who filmed the same intro 15 times because you hated how you sounded, how you looked, and how awkward you felt. The ones who hit publish and felt that mix of hope and terror. What if they hate it? What if nobody watches? What if I'm not good enough? You are. You don't need 1 million subscribers to be a real creator. You don't need validation from an algorithm to matter. You showed up. You created something. You put yourself out there when most people never will. That's brave. To the ones who made it, you remember the pain, the rejection, the silence, and the fact that you earned every view. To the ones still fighting, your breakthrough is coming. Keep going. And to the ones who quit, I hope you find your way back, because the world needs your voice. We're all just people with cameras, trying to say something that matters, hoping someone listens. And that's beautiful. So, thank you for creating, for trying, for not giving up. You're not alone in this.